Healthy Kitchen, how are you? Welcome back. I know it's been a long time. Okay, today we're going to be making some Caribbean spiced wild caught sockeye salmon. All right, what we have here is a variety of peppers, zucchini, lemon, garlic, chives, radish for garnish, and plantain. If you guys don't know what that is, you'll find out. Okay. So what we want to do is just crush up our garlic there, and our radish we're just going to use for garnishing. And the star of the show, the wild caught sockeye salmon itself. Very beautiful, nice color. What I have here is some maple syrup. I'm going to drizzle on the plantain, some olive oil, some tomato paste for the veg, or tomato sauce I should say, and the Caribbean seasoning. Some like to call it jerk, but we're not smoking the salmon, so I don't want to call it jerk. It's Caribbean spice. Okay, so we want to start by slicing up our chives really small and then portioning off our salmon. Now you want to go between 5 to 8 ounces depending on what you prefer. What I did here was about 6 ounces, and we just want to sprinkle on some salt and pepper, add our herb, so our chives, and the Caribbean spice directly to the salmon. You're going to get a small offset spatula and just apply the seasoning all over the salmon and add a little bit of lemon juice and olive oil. We want to dice up our zucchini, large. All the veg that we're cutting are going to be large. So the peppers, red, green, and the purple or black peppers there, all about the same size. We roughly want the same cooking time. And all I did here was remove the seeds again, slice everything up, long cuts just like that, and then a dice. Roughly the same size as zucchini as I said before. And our purple peppers. So for the seasoning on the peppers, first of all, I just want to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I ended up cutting up a jalapeno pepper and just adding it in there just for a little bit extra flavor. I took up some of the chives and olive oil, mixed it together, and just tossed it over. Now our plantain, we want to make sure it's extra ripe. Those little black spots you see on there, they're not bad. That's just the sugars building up and making it a little bit sweeter. So long cuts on the bias after peeling it, and then put them aside. So we're going to add some olive oil in our pan on medium to high heat. Add in our veg. This is a very quick fry, okay? Or very quick saute, I should say. I added in the scotch bonnet pepper there as well. I love the flavor. If you're afraid of spice, you could just take it out. And some chili powder. Okay, so some smoked chili powder and our tomato sauce. All right? Saute everything up. I didn't fully cook them all the way through, maybe about 80%. I like a bite to my veg, not overcooked. In a separate pan here, add some coconut oil. Turn your heat on high, almost to smoking. And then we just want to add our salmon in. Okay, not skin side down, but skin side up. All right, make sure everything's searing there properly. Our salmon's looking beautiful, building flavor on the bottom there. Everything's caramelizing. We just want to watch our heat around here so we're not burning anything. And, you know, give it a flip after about 3.5 minutes or so. Then what I did after I flipped it over and stirred off the bottom was add a little bit of lemon juice just to give it that extra pop. And those are pretty much done. Now off to the side here, what I did in my small little skillet is I added in some coconut oil just to fry off the plantains. Now if you're afraid of high fat, that's on you. I know the channel is called Healthy Kitchen, but your version of healthy might be different from mine. Mine is happiness in food, and that's where I am with that. I'm not a doctor or nutritionist. I just like cooking really good food with high quality ingredients. See our salmon there looking beautiful with the lemon juice, built up a little sauce in the pan. Now, I added the veg just to the bottom as I always do. Plantains on top. I'm layering everything. You could easily turn this into a meal prep, no problem. It just depends on how you want to portion it out. So maybe one piece of plantain, some veg, and a salmon in each Pyrex dish. And I just took my radish here and I slice it up with a mandolin just for garnish. Healthy Kitchen, thank you for tuning in. I missed you all. Please leave a comment and have a good day.